one.
Alright, so here's the deal. Okay, when you're filming, we're going to redo this again. When you're filming, hold it very straight, keep me in the middle.
Yeah.
What happens if you drop the camera?
Then I'm going to China.
You're going to China, and I'm going to put you up for adoption.
Yeah.
You're going to be there. So I will miss you, we will miss you, your friend will miss you. And then, try not to get my fat stomach as much. And then
Hey,
I'm
you're the
kidding.
one that stood
I'm
there.
kidding, just do whatever you want.
Okay.
But just hold it steady as you possibly can. Welcome back to the channel, folks. So it's a beautiful Saturday morning. We are gonna do some mods to the car. They're minor mods, but they're gonna look great. We're going to, but first, before we go there, let me just thank you all for the 11,000 subscribers. That is huge. I could have never imagined getting the channel to that level. And my camera woman behind me, my daughter, how many subscribers do you have?
Like 49.
That's daddy winning. You need to catch up. We'll get you there. Don't worry about it. Just work a little harder. Consistent posting. Anyways, so folks, today we're gonna do some mods on the car, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. And so come with me. All right. All right, so we are going to tint the marker lights with the Lux Auto Concepts. No, they're not sponsoring. I just did this with my Scat Pack and it looked incredible. We're gonna tint the marker lights and the tail lights. So these right here, show them, Kendall. I'm gonna tint those marker lights down there and back here. And then we're going to, we should close the door because we're gonna do something else here. And then we're gonna tint the center of these brake lights. So those will be black. So the car is gonna be totally blacked out. But first, we're gonna do a little kind of semi-cold start because I already drove it this morning, so it's like a warm start. But what do we say to the neighbors before we do this?
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. Just is what it is. And if you're still sleeping at 11 o'clock in the morning, whose problem is that?
Theirs.
Theirs. We sound like such horrible neighbors. That's okay. Let's hit this thing. All right.
Not our fault, we like fast cars.
We love fast cars. Woo. That sounds beautiful. All right, but before we install this stuff, we have to go. Where are we gonna go?
To Michael's.
What are we gonna do at Michael's?
We're gonna get castle supplies.
Because we're gonna build a castle.
Yes.
For your school.
Yes.
So let's go do that, and then when we come back, we're gonna finish all this stuff. I'm trying to stay in the camera, and then we're going to jump in Mama's car to go. Oh, I forgot it. Oh, wait. Before I finish, back up. No, wait.
Stop!
Wait.
Stop!
I forgot to tell you, we're also gonna put these shadow lights on the car. These are red Hellcat heads. I ordered another set with the red eye and the white Hellcat head. They'll come in a couple weeks. We're gonna try these out and see how they look. And let's show them what the BMW can do before we go. We need headphones, Kendall! Sorry, neighbors! All right, let's go to Michael's. Thank you.
Yeah.
This thing is insane. This thing is ridiculous. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I saw your dad like this, and I was like, my foot was, there was nothing I could do because once I stopped it, like it still was doing it.
I love this life, yes I do. It gets even better when I'm spinning it with you. The lonely stars are all jealous, it's true, 'cause they got nobody to hold like I do.
So people wanted to see your car, so I'll show them that giant sunroof. Look at that. The sunroof is so huge that they say that this car in Germany is used as a hearse because they can put the casket through the top and just drop it in here. Did you know that?
Except this is the only part that opens.
Not in Germany.
So silly.
In Germany, the whole thing.
How does the whole thing open?
Just they pop it out with a screwdriver.
Friends are really weird.
No, they don't. You're
Yes, they
so...
do. Yes, they
I'm not
do.
gonna believe that. That's such like a blonde story. You think I'm gonna fall for it?
It's true though. Look it up on Google. All right, so we bought these for $7.99. These are Hellcat Emblems. just like the ones on the Dodge Chargers. So I am going to have my daughter, because she can't go to jail, put these on a police car.
Okay, I didn't agree to this.
Yes, you're gonna put these on the police car.
You realize
and
the
if you
car has a camera on it all 24/7, right?
no, that's
So,
a blonde thing.
Yeah.
You sure? That's a blonde thing. It just flies over the top of it.
No, but we have fingerprints, and the fingerprints are gonna be on.
They're gonna check fingerprints. Listen, we're gonna ask the police.
don't know.
Okay, here's the deal. Before you trigger everybody, we're going to ask the police officer if we could do it. So we're gonna get permission to stick these on a police car. It may not happen in this video, but it will happen at some point in some video. So let's go buy castle stuff.
Your dad's gonna go with you, and
Whoa.
supposedly help you guys.
I'll help you guys. And your mom will buy more Easter crap for the house.
We need Easter stuff still.
Need or want?
Need.
Just like I needed a Hellcat. This is what every boy that wants to date you looks like to me.
I like this.
And then this is how I think of him.
And then you're the dragon that's gonna blow him up.
You know what we should do? We should put negative commenter and then drive over this head
Let's do
in the
it.
Hellcat.
Things.
Let me pick up some shakes.
That was a total dad joke.
What are you doing?
Looking at Easter stuff.
Don't need a basket. Put that rabbit down. Put the rabbit down.
Well,
Your mom is gonna have too many rabbits around the house. Like 800 rabbits around the house.
It's Easter. Rabbits multiply. That's what they do. How big is your moat gonna be?
It goes around the whole castle.
Yeah. We haven't go across the front.
oh, that's
Then the bad guys can get in the back.
yeah. Well,
Don't you know anything about
What about the blue sand?
castles? Like Stradman's car.
Yes.
That's Stradman's car purple.
Yeah, it is. Going through something though.
What if we get gold, like tinsel, and stretch it out onto a little melted guy?
You're obsessed with these little melted guys.
Right?
I mean, yeah, but that's a lot. I mean, I don't know.
You traumatize those little snowflake boys you go to school with. I saw a melted man today on the castle thing that Kendall made. I need therapy.
Do you want your water to be
Especially with all the blood all around.
This is awesome.
A little puddle of blood next to the little melted guy.
We can't put a lot of blood.
I would forgive your grade, no matter what you got, if you, right? A bunch of little bloody guys there and a happy dragon. Like, why I don't understand what I did wrong, teacher. I don't understand what I did wrong. Kendall, do you think this is appropriate? I think it's highly appropriate. If there was a real dragon, that's what it would look like. It would be historically accurate right now. Were you around when there were dragons? No. So do you think the dragons wouldn't have killed everybody out in front of the castle? I come to Michael's because all the chicks that hang out here.
Way.
153.41 is your total.
Look at that.
Oh my god, I'm so glad.
I kicked the door. This lady next to us is giving us a dirty look. Why are they doing that?
Did you see how they tried to hurt him all?
Yeah.
She's all irritated.
She's like, those people are so unclassy. Catch that challenger, man. I want to see what kind it is.
He isn't gonna go.
Watch it. What?
Come on, there he comes. Now he's coming. Come on, let's. What do you got, man? He's like, I can't go anywhere.
They're laughing, right?
He's probably like, she's in an X3.
Hand him these Hellcat emblems. No, I'm kidding. He ain't gonna take them.
He would, probably.
Here, go.
He's looking
if
in
you
his
get up
mirror,
there-
though, because he's...
If we get up there, go. Here, these will make your car faster. That will be hilarious. Hellcat emblem. Wait a minute, let me get the Hellcat emblem.
I'm gonna tell him we put those on your SRT, and it turned into a Hellcat.
My RT.
Oh, an RT. And the next morning we got up and there was a Hellcat. in the garage. Oh, he's turning.
He's turning.
Oh, it's the light's red.
Are you gonna...
I'm gonna do it. Oh God, please.
All right, stop
He's
fast.
probably not gonna pull up
You
next
probably
to
have
me.
to get out, or just have him roll the window down. Hey, we got something for you.
Hey, these are gonna make your car faster. We put him on his RT. Oh no!
Get out.
We put him on his RT and it turned into a Hellcat the next morning.
Did they get him?
It went in his thing in his hood.
Oh, so you can get it. So they'll get him, right?
I threw it, went straight across the windshield and down to the thing.
Okay, so he'll get him when he gets back. All right, folks, so thanks for hanging with us through that little adventure. Now let's get to work putting on the marker light tint and the puddle lights on the 2020 Hellcat Redeye.
I love this life, yes I do. It gets even better when I'm spinning it with you. The lonely stars are all jealous, it's true, 'cause they got nobody to hold like I do. I love this life, yes I do. It's honey sweet, feather soft when I'm with you. You always say what I'm thinking is true. Nobody's got it quite like me and you. Let's see the 7 wonders, jump from an aeroplane, dive all the deepest oceans, run with the bulls in Spain. Let's take the New York subway.
All right, folks, we got the marker lights done, side markers and the rear. So check it out. It looks so good, so much better. Hopefully you can see it. It's starting to get dark, so I wanted to show you this just in case I finish the tail lights too late and you can't see it. But it looks so much better. Wouldn't you agree? Just blacked out. Beautiful. All right, let's finish the tail lights if we can. This is harder. Heat gun helps tremendously, but let's see if I can get these on before it gets dark.
I love this life. I love this life. Let's see the 7 wonders, jump from an aeroplane, dive all the deepest oceans, run with the bulls in Spain. Let's take the New York.
All right, folks, it is
subway,
definitely
get
getting
off
dark
in
now,
Venice.
so I'm gonna show you the car while it's dark, unfortunately, but you will at least get to see the taillights, hopefully. My gosh, this is gonna be hard. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. Look at that. Taillights are tinted. Little rear reflectors are tinted. The sides are tinted. All the way around. Look at that. Black. Can you tell the difference? It's the little things. The little things. But that thing is great. Alright, so I'm going to put the puddle lights on now. It's getting dark, so you're going to be able to see what they look like. And then I'm going to clean up this huge mess, so you don't have to watch another video with me being in trouble with my wife. So let's do that now. That's the right one. There we go. A little finicky. Alright folks, this is the end of the video. I'm going to show you the puddle lights. They're okay. I ordered a second pair from a company called, I think, Blaze. Anyways, I'll put the link in the description below for both sets. These look okay. I'm not sure I'm cool about the red, but the white with the red eye is what I ordered. Be here in a few weeks, but check these things out. And then we will wrap up. So, this one a little faded there, but you can see it. So it looks pretty cool. I mean, it's definitely better than just the plain white light. Anyways, folks, it's been a long day. Did a little bit of work on the car. My advice is if you get the Lux Auto Concepts tint for your parking lights, marker lights, your tail lights, just be sure to use a heat gun. I've watched these YouTube videos where these guys don't, and it sometimes works out okay, but I promise you the heat gun just makes everything come out perfect. So with that, folks, thanks so much for all your views, all your likes, all your subscribes. Thanks for all your comments and positive comments. And I'm not going to lament about all the negative people anymore. I'm over it, even though you're going to think I'm not, but because I just said that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to take you along with this ride with my Hellcat Redeye. What a week it's been. It's been exactly a week since last Saturday that I brought this home and was wrestling with the wife over the purchase. I can only tell you that it's been worth every penny. I've learned a lot about it this last week. I've learned that no matter how bad you think the gas mileage is on an 800 horsepower car, it's way worse, which is totally cool because it's a great trade-off. And driving it all week for work has just been a blast despite standing at the gas station. It is an amazing car. It's a fun car and lots of looks, lots of people giving you a thumbs up. When I went to the McLaren dealership, I pulled in and these kids came from the back lot, or they're messing with McLarens, and they said, well, the fastest car just pulled in the parking lot right now. Amongst all these other cars, and I'm like, nah, the 720S is going to beat me, but nonetheless, they were impressed with this $90,000 thing versus $400,000 cars. So it is definitely a car that brings people together, and I think everybody could agree it's just awesome. It's a lot of fun. So see you in the next video. Thanks for everything. Talk to you soon. Bye.